Ladies and gentlemen, straight R&B. Coming to the stage, Chuck Taylor and the Hurricanes.
Well, all right.
Everybody give a warm welcome to Eastwood stepping in, special guests.
Say, ladies.
Yeah, boy.
How you doing, bitch?
And Chuck Taylor himself. Yeah.
Run up on my Bentley, nigga. I'm telling you, motherfucker, it's gonna be another TKO. I'm telling you, bitch, faggot ass niggas. Niggas smoking up my motherfucking weed, burning holes in my couch. It's gonna be another TKO. I'm not fucking around, not fucking around. To all you stanky assholes and all you faggot ass niggas hating on my albums, cause I'm classic and I'm platinum. Niggas suck a dick, you and your bitch. It's gonna be another TKO. Keep fucking with my pimpin'.
Let me break it down.
Faggot ass niggas keep coming around my hood, pulling out guns with no motherfucking clips in them. Niggas ain't never gangbang worth shit. Ain't never been jacked, ain't never did the motherfucking 6'4". Oh, nigga, I'm from the west side of Compton.
Fuck it, bring the hook in.
It's gonna be another TKO. Not fucking with you. Bring it back. It's gonna be another TKO.
Shit, one more time for the ladies in the audience.
It's gonna be another TKO.
Nigga, get it together. Second verse.
I'm tired of record labels taking all my motherfucking cheese from me.
Tell him, dog. Tell him.
Splitting my publishing checks with the niggas that signed me.
My money at, dog.
Niggas keep fucking over my cheese. Gon' end up facing the desert heat. I put niggas in the ground, and that's for shizzo, my nizzo. I'ma break it down for the pimps and hoes. Yeah, it's gonna be another TKO. It's gonna be another TKO. It's gonna be another TKO.
This goes out to all you faggot ass niggas. TKO. It's a smell. Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize for interrupting your regularly scheduled program. That right there was definitely Black Wall Street bullshit. Now back to your regular scheduled program.